XRP leaks huge SEC news nobody knows. Exposed. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to discuss about XRP leaks huge SEC news nobody knows. Exposed. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
For now, let's get back to the video straight away. The United States Securities Exchange Commission bagged a small win in the lawsuit against Ripple. Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen had written a joint letter to the presiding judge stating that the SEC's perusal of foreign regulators for information on Ripple and XRP transactions falls outside the federal rules. The executives argue that SEC is using the Memorandum of Understanding between SEC and foreign regulators improperly. The letter further stated that the involvement of foreign regulators results in intimidation of Ripple Labs' overseas partners. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn disagreed and dismissed the motion of the firm to halt the SEC in their discovery process. The judge stated, after review, that the SEC has not been acting in bad faith. Hence, there is no evidence or reason compelling enough to stop the SEC. The SEC also has a precedent for pursuing foreign discovery in a civil lawsuit. The SEC is part of the Organization of Securities Commissions, MOU for Cooperation for Information Sharing. This allows the SEC to easily obtain information from foreign regulators about Ripple and XRP. The SEC revealed that it has issued 11 requests to 9 foreign regulators in this matter. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn has ordered the SEC to obtain all information through formal request and submit copies of all requests to ensure transparency. In December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple Lab, alleging that the firm had been selling XRP as an unregistered security. The firm's cryptocurrency XRP took a hard hit because of the lawsuit. Ever since then, it has recovered to a large extent, participating in the bull run of 2021. Ripple Labs had also bragged a few minor victories in the lawsuit up till now, which has resulted in the firm and the crypto back on track. Ripple shows no signs of abating, with the same in the news today after the regulatory agency filed a motion to compel the defendants to produce post-complaint XRP transaction records. In doing so, the SEC also requested the court for additional discovery in the form of additional depositions. Needless to say, the reactions to the said requests were vehement, with many in the crypto community lambasting the Securities and Exchange Commission for its spaghetti strategy. Throw a lot of motions at the judge and see what sticks. A similar sentiment was shared by John Deaton, the popular attorney who filed a motion to intervene in the said case on behalf of XRP holders. Taking issue with the regulatory agency now demanding all post-complaint XRP transactions, Deaton tweeted, "Remember, in the SEC's opposition to our motion to intervene, it claimed the lawsuit was from 2013 to 2020, even though it says from 2013 through the present." SEC is back to arguing that present-day sales are illegal. Something more interesting arose out of the Deaton's aforementioned tweet thread, namely his expectations of the settlement in the present case. Interestingly, this isn't the first time he has touched upon the subject of a settlement. A few days ago, when responding to a hypothetical scenario where Ripple and the SEC settle and XRP holders turn out to be the only ones to lose, Deaton had said that he's just demanding a seat at the table for the XRP community. A similarly diplomatic answer was given by Deaton today after a community member asked him about the likelihood of a settlement in the near term. According to the attorney, in cases such as these, both trial and settlement lawyers operate separately and have separate teams. Ergo, the intensity of the litigation process may not always have a bearing on any settlement talks that might be happening. While the trial lawyers are fighting it out and arguing over almost everything, the settlement lawyers are kicked back trying to find a path of least resistance. That being said, Deaton didn't shy away from entertaining the possibility of settlement talks being far away, especially if the SEC insists on something like declaring XRP a security. The timing of such speculations is particularly interesting, especially since many of the community are expecting the likelihood of the same to be held to Judge Netburn's pending ruling on the fair notice motion. This was something Deaton was quick to remark on as well, with the attorney suggesting maybe only after a ruling on the fair notice defense will settlement talks get serious. The bottom line is, I have no idea if the settlement is likely to take place anytime soon, and your guess is just as good as mine. Ripple is very likely going public in the near future, CEO Brad Garlinghouse has affirmed. Speaking yesterday at an industry event, he stated that the company is awaiting a speedy resolution of the SEC court case before getting started on the public listing. He also delved into another issue around the company, including its steady growth in recent months and the blow it was dealt by the collapse of its partnership with MoneyGram. Garlinghouse was speaking during the ongoing Consensus 2021 conference. He confirmed that the reports doing rounds about a possible IPO are indeed true. As CNF reported previously, SBI Holdings was among the first to reveal that Ripple was seeking to list publicly. SBI, which is one of Ripple's major shareholders, also pointed out that the SEC case is the only impediment to this plan. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, in a conversation with Business Insider, stated the chances of Ripple going through its initial public offering, IPO, is very high. The company will consider going public after its case with U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission resolves. If Ripple decides to go public, it will be the second company to go public after Coinbase's successful IPO in April. Coinbase had gone public on April 14th this year and raised $85.5 billion successfully before the markets closed on the same day. This is the second time there have been reports in the market about Ripple going public. Ripple had also planned an earnings call after the shareholders demanded it. The current SEC lawsuit has been holding the company's IPO. It alleges that XRP raised more than $1.3 billion via an unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offering. The lawsuit names the co-founder, Larsen, CEO Garlinghouse, and Ripple. Brad Garlinghouse argues that XRP is in fact a commodity, and the United States is the only country that lists it as a security. SEC has alleged that Ripple distributed a significant amount of XRP in exchange for non-cash considerations, such as market services. Regulatory bodies with current regulations find it difficult to differentiate between cryptocurrencies, which are securities, and commodities. Is XRP a security? At this juncture, the major holdup for Ripple Labs to make the jump to an IPO is the SEC lawsuit filed against it back on December 22, 2020. This was a move that Garlinghouse responded to by saying, "It's not just Grinch-worthy, it's shocking." The lawsuit names Ripple Labs, Garlinghouse, and co-founder Larsen. The suit alleges that XRP raised more than $1.3 billion via unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offerings. In response, Garlinghouse claimed that XRP is in fact a commodity and that the USA is the only country that lists XRP as a security. All other countries classify XRP as a currency. The suit goes on to allege Ripple distributed billions of XRP in exchange for non-cash considerations, such as market-making services. This has become a common issue lately for the SEC and Commodities Future Trading Commission, CFTC. Each has found difficulties in determining which cryptocurrencies are commodities and which are securities. To tackle this issue, the government agencies have teamed up to clarify digital asset regulations. The so-called Eliminate Barriers to Innovation Act of 2021 passed the House vote in April. If the Senate gives the green light, a joint working group of civilians will advise both entities and develop solutions on addressing digital assets. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Until then.